Hey guys, it's me, Osh. Welcome back to Osh's Gaming. This is me, kind of hard day, but fun day, I would say, and it's exciting day, cause today I'm getting my first job, even though I'm not in college, but I am a janitor, and we're going to be playing Cleaning Simulator, but, I just figured this out. There's legit, like, an apple, of onion, or whatever that is, or basically, we're gonna be fruit. Very funny, yes, very funny. Okay, welcome, janitor. Double click Flex Explorer to get started. Okay, okay, so just begin solo maybe. I'll just work alone because I'm a starter. Okay, so let's work alone. Um, This is getting so weird. This is getting so weird. Oh no, this is so weird. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Supplies spawn here. I'm a legit goddamn turnip. I'm a turnip! Oh, grab me to talk to me. How do I grab people? I can grab you. Howdy, my name is Stromblebush Dringle Brapton. You can call me CS for short. You must be the new janitor, right? Your job is simple. Just get some cleaning tools and get to working. The mop cleans puddles and the spray bottle cleans dirt. Good luck. The future of Bribbleco TM relies on you. Okay? Okay? Ooh. Nibble moon gravity? Oh no, that's okay. So what do we do basically? So you have to mop. Let's mop. Let's take the mop. This sweep, 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 sweep. Let's just put it back. How do I drop items? Oh, there we go. I drop items like that. I'll grab a spray bottle. Oh, this is dirt. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna. Oh, this is fun! Wait, this is actually getting sick! Oh my gosh, I like this game a whole lot right now. Oh my gosh. Wait, this game is so fun right now. Oh no, I like this. Spray me to get water. Oh, you can spray to get water. Oh, that's how you guys spray it to get water. That's how you fill it up. I'm just gonna fill it up for a quick sec. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. So, what? Where did the bottle go? Let's pick up the bottle again. Oh yeah, I have to pick up the bottle and just put it there. Oh no, I'm running out of water. Just Oh, E is to let go of it. Okay, let me just. Okay, I filled it up. I was gonna. You can get a flippin' water gun. Okay, I really might need the mop, so I'm gonna take the mop just for a quick sec. Okay, sweep, sweep, sweep. Oh, you can crouch. Double jump to roll. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Woo! Oh god, oh god. Okay, I think that was enough. That's enough. I gotta clean some muddy puddles. Gotta clean the muddy puddles. It's gonna. Okay. Oh, hey, you must be a janitor, right? I've been looking for a job lately. Would you recommend Bribbleco? Neat. I'll have to consider it then. Okay, good Bribbleco, bro. It's actually pretty fun. Mob with meaning. Okay, I can find some puddles, bro. I'll find some puddles. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Just put that there. Hey, what's up, kiddo? Heard they remodeled that basketball court in the pool. In the pool. I'd totally love to swim in it, but I forgot how to move. Oh wow, you can't walk? That's dumb. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let me just pick that mop up. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Okay. Want to donate the developers post level lever? I need to find some muddy puddles, and before Peppa Pig jumps in them, I'm gonna, sweep, 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 sweep. Oh, really? I should really get going. Oh no, I just rolling. I'm rolling. I'm rolling. I really should get back. Oh, so double jump is stop rolling and double jump is to roll. Okay, I like that. I'm just gonna put this right back here. Okay. Zoom, zoom, zoom! Ow. Ow. Oof, 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 oof. Ow, 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 this hurts. Ow, that hurt, that hurt, that just hurt like heck. Woo, I'm moving! Did I just finish the tutorial or something? Oop. Yay! Oh no, oh no, oh please no, oh no. Oh, okay. Roboco parking. I'm gonna go. Oh no. There's some mud puddle. I'm gonna get some mud puddles. I wanna... Ow, that hurt a lot. That hurt a lot. Let's go. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Dub, 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 dub. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, not my mop! No, not my mop! Just pick it up. Okay, I got it, I got it. Never mind, I got it. Oh no, oh no, 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 I gotta pick it up. I gotta pick it up. Sweep, sweep, sweep! Ow! Da, 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 da. Okay. Yay. Okay. 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 Okay, I get it. I get it. You just gotta just do that. Okay. Oh, that's sick, bro. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. But what? Oh no, I gotta pick that mop up again. This is glitched. My mop is legit glitched. My mop is glitched right now. My mop is glitched. Okay, there we go. Okay, it keeps getting glitched. I really shouldn't do that and just okay, got glitched again. Just boot, doot, 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 doot. Oh, I have to go over it. Okay. Okay, finally, it's done. The glitch is not. Oh, my legs are cleaning it. Okay. There's a lot of puddles to go. This is gonna take pretty long. It's gonna dong. I like it when it goes dong. Oh, I can just do this. I can just do that. I like the way you can just keep clicking it. I like the way you can just click it. That's just easy. You can just click it. Okay, let's just move. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. I'm gonna do all the mob ones. This is gonna take me the whole video probably. Dup, 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 dup. Okay, come on. Bro, I don't wanna wait for my miraculous kid. Ladybug, give me your powers. Give me a better mop. Give me 2 mops by using your lucky charm. It's a show, guys. I watch it on YouTube because it's only on Netflix. for show kind of app. It's on YouTube and Netflix. I don't know if it's on. Oh no, not the glitch again. I shouldn't do that. Okay. I just glitched it. Okay. Okay. Mama. Yay, did it. Tup, 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 squeak, squeak. Oh god. No, 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 no. It's stuck to my hand. Boop. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Oh please. Oh please. Oh please, Thor's hammer. Uh, okay. Okay. So. Okay. The object can also go in my. Okay. Okay. So objects are like magnetic to your I don't know. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm sick of this, bro. Mreh, mreh, mreh. Okay, let's just do that. I did it. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, I'm getting good at that. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Da 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 da. This. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Okay, sweep, 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 sweep from Baldy. Sweep, 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 says sweep, Mr. Sweep. Okay, we can just, whoop, tup, 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 tup. Sweep, 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 sweep. Okay. Sweet. That's sweet. That's sweet. That's very sweet. That's very sweet of you. And I'm gonna take some of my own. Oh no, I yeeted it! Oh no, I yeeted it. Oh no way! No way, can actually. Oh, the water gun! Wait, does the water gun also work? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try the water gun. Oh god, there's water gun! I have a water gun! Wait, can I film the water gun too? I think I can. Oh, I'm so excited to use the water gun. Wait, I'm gonna actually do it. Oh, I think you can use the water gun. You can use the water gun! You can use the water gun, bro! Oh my gosh, you can actually use the water gun to do it. Lol, good luck flipping over that. It's over. Yeet! Water gun! Okay, yep, that does not work. Okay, that didn't work. Let's fill that up. Okay, that didn't work. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Spray! Spray! You like water gun? Shoot. Fire! Okay. Fire! Oh wow. I like the sound effects goes ding dong ding da ding 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 da ding 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 da ding. Okay, this is almost done, bro. This is legit almost done. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I like that, I like that. Okay, that's fine. Oh, there's something under that. I'm gonna drop the water gun and say farewell to it and pick this thing up. It's a radio. It's a tape for the radio. Ooh, ow, that hurt. That just hurt, bro. La la la. What's up? Okay. Moon gravity, tougher job. Server time. I have 7% clean. Okay, I can put it in. I like this music. Sorry, but I also want to test out the sound of nothing. What's this? Oh, it's nothing, so it doesn't make no sound. Okay, I'm just gonna put the. Okay, let's put that one instead. Yeah, 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 yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Bum. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I got an apple. I got an apple. Whoopee cushion! It's a whoopee cushion! Wait, it's a whoopee cushion! It's a whoopee cushion! Wait, this is a whoopee cushion in Roblox? Yeet, yeet. Wait, I can have it. I can hit it. Just yeet, yeet. It's so weird. It's actually a real whoopee cushion. It's a whoopee cushion, guys. That's legit whoopee cushion. Oh my god. That like red apple eyeball thing or whatever it was inside a whoopee cushion. Oh no 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 no! No 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 no! I gotta get the rocket gun. Yeah! Aya! Aya! Okay, I gotta turn something off in my settings at inverted cam. The camera mode is inverted. Oh, that's from an Arsenal only. That's why I had such a hard problem. My brother helped me figure it out. Oh wow, that fell. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn that off. This just sounds of nothing. JK, I gotta turn that back on. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That little. Bruh. Let's go. I found a new tape. I found more tape. I found a new tape. Oh, I love this. I like this. I think you can. And the best, you're the best man. Is and the coolest janitor. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna pull this. I can't pull it. How do I? How do I pull it? I'm pulling it, bro. Okay. Oh, you can make a cassette. Yeet. Or you can make a cassette. That's cool. Bing. Great. Oh, you gotta buy Robux. You gotta buy Robux. Okay, I'm gonna check this. Press X for third person. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's me right there. That's me. Okay. Okay, thank you. What's up? Hey, you're a real janitor. What? You're so mean. Oh, where's the closet? I see butter boys. I see the butter boys. I see the butter boys. Cleaning sim. Oh god. Oh gee. Okay, I just gotta clean that. Well, that is gonna be it for today's video. Just okay. Well, what's up? Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe button. Be sure to like button. Be sure to notification bell so you never ever miss a video, kiddos. And I'll see you later. Bye bye. Roll away.